like to use the face recognition because I'm too lazy to type out my numbers.
For me, I use face recognition. I use it because it's really convenient. As long as I pick up my phone, it automatically unlocks.
I use a numeric pad for my access to my phone. It's much more easier to remember.
I always use my password and not face app because I feel like when I'm asleep, anyone could just take my phone and unlock. So I don't like that.
What did you just say?
I use both password and fingerprint, but I prefer fingerprint because it's so much faster than typing out a password.
I use thumbprint. Yes, and why I do that? Because of the scare of scammer. At first, I didn't do it one. I only did it recently because everybody say I must do it.
Typically, I might have around 50 apps on my phone. I like to use apps rather than website because the interface is not so clear.
Oh, apps hold on. It's really too many to count.
For me, I prefer using the apps better because it's a shortcut to the website. Yeah, it's much more efficient.
I have quite a few apps, so I categorize them in the media, photos or games.
Do you mind sharing if there's any apps that you cannot live without?
TikTok, Instagram, YouTube.
I don't have that many apps on my phone because it takes up a lot of storage. I mostly use website. I cannot live without Telegram and TikTok.
I have a lot of apps on my phone. I'm constantly 2 or 3 GB away from full storage. So that's why I like using websites, because I hate downloading apps. It always takes up so much time and so much storage. Hey Siri, help me do this. It's so embarrassing, so I would just rather type it out.
My children likes to ask Google some weird questions. What is the biggest animal in the world? Yeah, so that's about it lah.
I rarely use voice assistant. Yeah, your voice doesn't really translate well, so it ends up misinterpreting what you're saying. So you have to do it a couple of times. It's just easier to type it out instead.
I don't use it at all. I usually just go search it up on Safari or Google.
Honestly, I don't use it at all, but I use Siri sometimes when I'm bored. Siri will ask me questions.
So you have a conversation with Siri?
Yep.
Okay, let's be friends.
I upgrade my phone about every 2 years. For the OS, every month, Apple regularly sends out alerts and prompts you to do it. An option where you can schedule it to do it at night. So I'll just click that, so it auto updates every night.
Usually I wait until the iPhone gives the update. It's either I see a new feature on the iPhone where I really want it and then I'll just do it myself.
I don't update my phone often, but I always wait for the notification to pop up.
For upgrading my phone, it's more of when my parents decide to give me a new phone. But for a system, it's just whenever I get the prompt.
When your phone prompts you, do you update it immediately? You always delay.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I'm constantly on my phone.
I only upgrade when my phone either die on me. I don't upgrade when I just because of fashion. No, I will keep it as long as I can.
My phone.
My phone.
I rarely have cash right now.
I've completely stopped bring my wallet out.
I still bring my wallet with me because in case if it's not functioning properly, then I can use my ATM card or debit card to actually pay for my things.
Frequently use my phone to use payment, especially Apple Pay.
Just tap and go. But it's not good because I always overspend.
Stop it. Get some help.
I only do it if I have no choice. Because when I'm using my pay now, if I have used my card, I see the money in my bank account go down and it's heart pain, So I prefer to use cash.
So I only do like kopitiam, those type of QR code one.